Welcome back to the channel. Welcome to a new short video, just a short one this time. First of all, I want to wish everyone the best for 2023, a new year, a new chapter for me. You will find out later in this video. But yeah, I hope everyone is having a great year, and yeah, that we will have some great photography experiences on this channel. So, why this short video? I get a lot of questions on my email, Instagram, Facebook, in the comment section of YouTube, and the funny thing is that yeah, most of them aren't even photography related, and I would have thought that people wanted to know, where did you take that picture, what settings did you use, why do you use this camera. But of course I get some of these questions, but the question I get most of all is if I am a professional photographer. Well, to be honest, I've asked myself that question for a long time, and today I'm going to answer that question for all of you and for myself, for once and for all. So keep watching and you will find out. So I'm in the waiting room right now, and this is where some life-changing events are going to happen today. Back in my car, unfortunately I wasn't allowed to film anything in there, so yeah, I had this nice idea for this video, but yeah, I had to adjust a little bit. So I have just registered my own photography business. So yeah, I guess from now on I can call myself a professional photographer. So yeah, why did I do this? I had to quit my old job. I've been in a large car dealership for 15 years, but that job just wasn't suitable for my medical conditions anymore. And yeah, I had to rethink my life, what I wanted to do, and yeah, I just thought, let's take this giant leap of faith and let's try to make something out of this photography idea. So yeah, my idea for this year, of course, I'm gonna try to grow this channel. I've got some ideas to give some workshops. Yeah, I might do some work for OM System in the future. I was thinking about maybe making a calendar or a book or something. So yeah, I've got all these ideas in my mind that I have to work out. But yeah, let's see how this is how this is going to end up. So maybe in about a year, next year, I can yeah, tell you exactly what I did this year, and yeah, what income it brought me. So yeah, let's hope this is going to work out. I'm really excited, really happy with this. It's a new chapter in my life, and a completely new start of the year 2023. So yeah, I hope for everyone once again the best for this year, and I hope for myself that this idea is going to work out, and in about a year I can tell you that I've made the right decision to yeah, to take this giant leap of faith. So thanks for watching. I hope to see you on the next Sunday's video. Yeah, that will be another on location video here in the Netherlands. So thank you for watching this short clip, and hope to see you on the next one. Bye for now.